Today, I'll explain FTMO payouts and how you actually get your profits as a funded trader. Step 1. What is FTMO payouts? FTMO is a property trading firm that provides funding to traders. When you trade successfully and meet their rules, you keep a percentage of the profits you make on the funded account. FTMO's standard profit split is up to 80% for the trader and 20% for the firm. The more consistent you are, the higher your earnings can be. This split applies every time you withdraw your profits. What about withdrawal frequency? You can request payouts once per month or more, often depending on your FTMO account settings. Payouts are typically processed within a few business days. So how to withdraw? Log into your FTMO account portal, then go to payout and then request withdrawal. Choose your preferred method: bank, transfer, Skrill, or crypto if available. Enter the amounts and confirm. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.